outdoor product, Rubio Monocoat DuroGrit, is the perfect combination between a wood-saturating and a breathing monocoat system. DuroGrit is based on our patented FibreGrit technology. This revolutionary technology makes use of natural wood fibres. These fibres form a grid that enables the product to bond with the wooden surface. The natural fibres also improve the structure of the oil, making it the strongest outdoor wood protection that offers extreme mechanical resistance. The grid also allows us to add significantly more UV blockers in the formula. These provide top-of-the-league UV protection. This one-layer technology makes DuroGrit tomorrow's UV protection for your outdoors.